In this video, we will be learning how to bypass login page with the help of MySQL injection using login query. So we made here small script, login script, which is written in PHP. So let's move on and try to log in here. On the first step, I will type the username as admin and password as admin. Now you might be thinking that why I use the username and password as admin. Nowadays, many developers have bad habits of choosing their username and password as default admin, or they are using some common passwords like admin or admin #123. Even Yahoo did same mistake in the past, where security researcher found that Yahoo was using the admin as a credential for their admin panel. You can read the vulnerability report of Yahoo here, hackerone.com/report/2127. The researcher have explained how he got access to Yahoo server, and he can able to bypass the admin panel. After that, he uploaded shell and executed the PHP command over the server. So if you are a developer, I suggest you to don't use the common passwords. Now back to the topic. So we have entered here username as admin and password as admin. Let's try to log in here. Let me in. You can see here the login failed message. Now let's try with some SQL query. So at this time I will type username as admin, and in the password field I will type SQL query, which is single quote space or space single quote 1 single quote is equal to single quote 1. I will just copy this and paste in the password field. Now click on the let me login. You can see here login successfully, which means that we have successfully bypassed this login page. Now let me explain you what happened in the first case when we have passed a username as an admin and password as an admin. Let's try to look at the source code of login.php. So this is the code of login.php. On the first case, when I passed a username as an admin and password as an admin, this query is executed in the backend, which is select star from admin, where username is equal to admin and password is equal to admin. This is the normal SQL query. It asks table admin to fetch the information from username and password column and check if there is any entry as a username equal to admin and vice versa. So this is how the first case is executed. On the second case, the query is executed something like this. Select star from admin, where username is equal to admin and password is equal to blank or 1 equal to 1. This is and or condition. In or condition, when any of case is true, the result is true. You can Google for and or condition. When we pass this query to database get confused with what to do. It follow the or condition and gave result as a true and show us login successfully message. Now let's talk with some real life scenario. The same vulnerability I have found in intel.com, where by using the basic SQL query I can able to bypass the admin panel. So here is the proof of concept. This vulnerability has been patched by Intel security team. So let me play it again. I just misspelled the authentication word. It's due to the excitement. So this is the normal login page. You can see here login URL. This is the email field. In the email field I have passed the normal SQL syntax, which is single quote space or single quote 1 is equal to single quote 1, and I did the same in the password field and hit on the login. Now you can see here I have successfully logged into account. You can see here the URL, which is profile.php. By clicking on that, it gives me the all details of admin, which is the username, admin, email address, and lot of the things. Now when I click on this third link, which is Ankit, it's redirect me to main admin page where I can able to execute any command which can normal admin can do. Now as a beginner you might be thinking that how I found that. Now my friends, it's magic of Google Doc. Let me show you how I find that page. Open google.com and I simply used a small doc here, which is site intel.com, in URL login.php. So you can see here the first result. I will click on this and let's try to check or 1 equal to 1, similarly copy paste. Now this vulnerability is already has been patched by Intel security team, so there is no chance to get into their system. So this is how the basic SQL injection with login query works. Now use Google and find such vulnerable pages and practice yourself. In the next video we will see union based SQL injection. So see you guys on the next video.